What's up, guys? Welcome to this video. And today we're gonna see the important metrics that you must look at when you're doing your analysis for your pay-per-call affiliate marketing ads. Okay, I'm gonna show you what you need to look at when you're doing the analysis. When you're about to scale your ads, what you must look at. Okay, so right now inside of one of my ad account. This ad account is disabled. Okay, that's why I'm not able to create any ads right here. Okay, so I'm right here inside. I just search for save. Okay, and right here I have all the ads that I have been running about Safe Step tab. Okay, I didn't show you this in the previous video. Okay, but right now you can see, guys, when I'm running an ad, a offer for the first time, I like to test it on many objectives. Okay, I created campaigns based on many objectives. Okay, this one, I was using a video views. Okay, and in the ad set I put the call button. Okay, that's why you can see, that's why I put here call button. And right here I was using traffic, and I put the call button in the ad set. Okay, and right here we have a conversion objective. Okay, um, you can find a conversion objective while you're creating. Okay, and right here, for the last one I have traffic. Okay, this one for me means scheduling. Okay, it means that I schedule this ad. Okay, to run it sometimes I schedule it all those. Okay, but right here I put just to remind me. So guys, for this one, let me see, I spent this one point, this one I got these impressions. Okay, for this ad, clicks, 5 clicks, and okay, that's it basically. Okay, for this, for those this for traffic call button, I got this reach, um and I spent this money. I think that you can see the difference, guys, between the reach, between the amount spent. Okay, how much you need to spend on some objective to to find some people. Okay, and right here we have conversion. You see the reach, you see the spend. Okay, depending on the on the campaign objective that you are going to select, you're going to spend more, and the ad is not going to find the people. Okay, so it depends. Okay, it depends. So guys, basically what I want to show you is this. For this, for this ad that I got these clicks. Okay, for this money that I showed you on the previous video. There are metrics that you must look at. Okay, we have the amount spent, we have the 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 cost per result. Okay, this is important metric, and and the amount spent, but we must focus on this one. Okay, we have clicks, and we have the landing page views. Okay, so guys, right here we have how many link clicks do we have. We have these link clicks. Okay, and we have all these clicks. It means there are difference between this the link clicks and clicks at all. It means that there are people that click in the ad set, that made a click in the ad set, but not in in the link. That's why we have this difference. Okay, sometimes these people are those people that sometimes leave a comment, that sometimes click a like button. Okay, so those people, it count right here on the click. So we have these clicks, and we have these link clicks. And the important metric that you must look at is this one, landing page views. As you can see, guys, right here we have 159 link clicks, and we only have 60 landing page views. Okay, so it means that those people clicked in the link, but these people um, only these people reached the landing page. Okay, so guys, that's why you must add this metric on your dashboard. Okay, because you must look at it, because you can get if you look only on the link clicks, and you don't look at the landing page views, you can think that Facebook or your affiliate program is not showing you the real result, but the problem may be in your ad. Okay, so guys, basically is that you must look at landing page views. If you are running a Facebook ad for pay-per-call affiliate marketing, we have link clicks, but not everyone who click in the link go to the landing page. Okay, so for those people, we can say that that 100 users were lost. They didn't reach the landing page. Okay, so basically is that, guys. If you have any doubt, write down below in the comment, leave a like, subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.